Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by nailing the essentials. Define your ideal customer profile so searches return relevant leads. Once done, connect Apollo to your CRM and verify your sending domain to ensure deliverability. Now create an initial prospect list. Apply industry, size, revenue, and location filters, and add Boolean terms to refine results. Save a batch of 50 to 200 prospects to test. This gets you actionable contacts fast, and it sets a measurable baseline for campaign optimization moving forward. Next, enrich and qualify your list so each record is contact-ready. Verify email quality, add phone numbers and LinkedIn profiles, and confirm job titles. Then build a multi-touch sequence. Sequence steps should include a short personalized email, a call attempt, a LinkedIn connect or message, and 2 follow-ups spread over 2-3 weeks. Make sure to /B test subject lines, opening lines, and send times. Monitor open and reply rates to iterate. That detailed execution increases response rates and reduces wasted touches. Finally, scale what works. Expand the list size and replicate winning sequences while syncing replies and meetings to your CRM so SDRs can close leads. Continuously measure conversion from reply to meeting to opportunity and adjust targeting and copy based on that funnel data. If things go wrong, low deliverability or poor reply rates, pause outreach, verify your sending domain and warm the IP, reduce daily volume, and reevaluate list quality. This final loop secures sustainable growth and predictable lead flow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.